how are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV. So in this video, I'm going to review Sephora Playbox June box. So let's go and see what I got, if it's worth my money or not. What do I think? I review and you decide whether it's worth your money or not. Why is the packaging so hard to take it out? Never mind. I can work with this. If the products are good, I'm good. Whoa. Smells like summer. Looks interesting. Let's see what I got. Bag looks like this. Not too much impressed. It's okay. So let's see. Marajo hair care shampoo and conditioner. I don't like the sample sizes this small. I feel like I can't experience the product more. So this is a no for me. Down. One down. Ooh. Sol Janeiro Bum Cream. Brazilian Bum Cream. I heard lots of good reviews about it. I wanted to use it for so long but couldn't afford it. This way I can afford it, and this is a good size too. So this is definitely thumbs up. I will definitely review it for you if it's worth our money or not. Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. Wow, never tried it. So this is a huge plus for me. So this is a thumbs up. Can't wait to review for you. Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover. I have a small trip coming up, so I need a travel size. So this is a huge thumbs up. Came in right time, Sephora. Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick. I wanted to try this lipstick for so long because I have heard only good things about it. Can't wait to try it. Huge thumbs up. Cover Fix Perfect Setting Powder. This is a huge plus because I feel like high-end setting powders are too expensive. So this is like a perfect size. It will last me all year, and I can't wait to experience this and review it for you. So there you have it, guys. I think this is a bonus product and this is too much small of a sample, but actual products were really good in this bag. I really loved the June box, but ultimately it's your decision. So I review and you decide whether it's worth your money or not. This box is a huge thumbs up from me. And what did you get in your box? Please share with me in the comment section. And by the way, I got new haircut. How do I look? Leave a comment in the comment section for me. It will totally make my day. If you didn't subscribe already, please do, and share it with your friends if you like my videos. Bye for now. I'll see you guys in my next video.